how to upload custom HTML template on Mailchimp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to have an HTML email for the Mailchimp platform. So the process is very simple. I'm going to explain to you how things are going to be. So basically on Mailchimp, we have the classic editor or the modern one, and we have also the old one. So both of these editors are going to be having some preset templates for emails. We have the basic layout, we have the pre-made layout or the fully designed layouts. Also on this specific case, we have some HTML choice to implement or add to your email design. So we are going to head over and create an email. So we are going to click on create email, and then we are going to start our journey. So as you can see, we have here, for example, from scratch, we are going to create an email from scratch. We have the basic layouts and the fully designed templates. Let's try here and click on the basic layouts, and we are going to see here the templates. So basically, these are going to be the basic one, all templates, and etc. Now, all of these do not let us here to set up something that we want really. So we are going to be obliged to use the editor that we can, let's say here, drag and drop some elements into it, which is going to be the classic editor. But in here, we are going to see from these choices for the selection of the template, code your own. You're going to click on it. You're going to see three options. Either it is going to import a zip file, or import from URL, or have here the paste a code. As you can see, the three options for setting up here the coding are going to be for a free trial. So you need to set up, let's say, something or a plan that is going to be paid, a paid plan, of course, a subscription, maybe a monthly subscription that will allow you to set up the things. So you can go ahead and get your 14-day free trial, and then you can go ahead and start setting up everything. So here I'm going to set up a free trial. So we are going to let you see how we can do the things. This is the purpose of the video. So I have applied my free trial, as you can see here. And now we are going to select here the copy and paste or import from URL. Basically, I'm not going to use import from URL or import zip because I have two websites from the best websites that you can have, or marketplaces that you can have and download your, let's say here, HTML codes or HTML emails. We have Unlayer Studio and we have the Be Free. So the Be Free, as you can see, is going to be a large marketplace for emails. So you can go ahead and see here all the templates and etc. Here I'm going to see here the workspace. So I'm going simply to create a new one, or go ahead and see the free one. So I'm going to have here the free one. I'm going to head over not the project but the designs or the templates. I'm going to let you see here the website. As you can see, we have uh, more than 1,000 template. We have lots of professional templates. We can get the free ones and also the paid ones. Go ahead and get yours, and you are going only to be creating a, let's say here, an account within the platform or a sign up account within the platform. And then you're going to choose from these, as you can see, well-made templates from some specific designers that you can get or create from scratch. So basically, you can go ahead and edit any type of designs that you can see. Also, we have the Unlayer, as you can see, Studio that give you the option to set up here, as you can see. Also, a drag and drop editor, and this drag and drop will allow you to add some elements. For example, in here, here it is going to simplify the things and not complicate it. Why? Because it is going simply to make the design from coding to, let's say here, more simplific way to understand. So basically, you are going to get this. This is the final result of the code. But if you are going to search for the source page, which is going to leave you here the code, you're not going to understand a lot unless you are going to be a here to be a programmer, a backend designer, or a front end, let's say here, developer. All type of coding, let's say careers will matter for this one. If you know a little bit about coding, it is not going to be complicated at all to see all of these codings and lines. So you can go ahead and play with them, or correct something, or add something, delete something, modify something. It is not going to be that hard, but it is going to demand for some efforts. So basically, let's say that we have got this here a template. I'm going to add something like some blocks or contents from here. Body, I'm going to modify the body, add some images and etc. And then we are going simply to click on export. So you are going to get the HTML file within a zip file. And then you're going to see that we have the index. This is the index of ours. So what we're going to do is to click on the view page source. We are going to select everything in here. Then we are going to copy it, head over our designer in the Mailchimp platform. So in our case, we are going to paste a code only and not import a zip, because you can go ahead and do that. Maybe we are going to try and see if we are going to import the zip directly. But I'm going to click on here. Here it is going to be the custom coded templates are only going to be available on the classic builder. That means the old builder. So for now we are working on it. Do you want to build this classic? Yes, I want to do that. So I have let the authorization to repurpose, or let's say here, change the builder to the old one. So basically we are going to see here the code lines, the settings, and some comments. Now we have the first line. I'm going to paste all the code in here. So we are going to wait for the result. I'm going to click on save and wait for some few minutes for the result. So the editor is going to read up right there the content from here, and you are going to see everything. So basically here we have the image, as you can see, which is going to be missing, and that is due to the upload or setup. So you can go ahead and have here everything for, let's say, the email template, and the images. You're going to change the host of them, for example, or upload them, let's say, manually after you have set that. And this is the thing. So you are going to only face some codes. And if you want to change something, go ahead and change it right away on the code editor. So if you are going to preview your, let's say here, version of the mode 1, you can go ahead and see here your version from here, and also you can go ahead and see the mobile version and test email. Now that was for the copy and paste, let's say here option. Let's go ahead here and click on edit design. I'm going to set up the, let's say, the zip file. So I'm going to switch the template. Click on switch template. So we are going to have here the thing set up. So we can go ahead and change the template or put whatever. So I'm going to import from URL, not URL, but zip. I got tricked with this. So they have changed the position. I'm going to click on switch template again. I do not have a URL, but I have a zip. So we are going to have here the zip. We're going to upload it and we are going to see. I'm going basically here to have the zip for this one because I have downloaded it from Unlayer as a zip file, as you can see. So we are going to see here the changes. So I have here selected the zip file. As you can see, we have the name of it right there. After you have downloaded it from this website, I am going to wait for the fetching of the files in this specific area. It will take a little bit of time for generating or uploading the images because we have some images. Also, we have some codes. And finally, we have the final version. And this one, they have already, let's say, uploaded the colors and also all of the images that has been missing on copy and also copying and pasting the content. And here we have it finally. So for the settings, you can go ahead and set up the automatic CSS inliner. As you can see, as you know, some emails will strip out the CSS in styles, so they will not know how to properly set up here the things or see some inliners in the email or the settings in here. You can go ahead and paste into your code to display the badge, the referral badge, which is going to be this one. So you're going to add it in here or there, and then you are going to set it up as default. So basically, we do not have to modify anything if we have already a ready up email. Remember, if you are not going to be a pro by coding the email, I highly recommend for you to use one of the two platforms that I have mentioned, which is the first one, Be Free, and the second one is Unlayer Studio. So go ahead and use one of these platforms. It is going to have here some free access, some free templates. Go ahead and copy and paste, and do not forget to set up your own content. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.